fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of voice assistants. Today, we're going to explore how these magical devices work, check out some popular ones, and see what the future holds. So, grab your favorite beverage and let's get started. First up, let's talk about the technology behind voice assistants. It all starts with speech recognition. Automatic speech recognition, or ASR, converts your spoken words into text. It's like having a super fast typist who never makes mistakes. Next, we have natural language processing, or NLP. This is where the magic happens. NLP understands the meaning and context of the text. It's like having a language expert who can decipher even the most confusing sentences. Natural language understanding, or NLU, takes it a step further. It identifies the user's intent and extracts important information like names, dates, and locations. It's like having a mind reader who knows exactly what you want. Dialogue management is all about maintaining the context of the conversation and generating appropriate responses. It's like having a conversation partner who always knows what to say next. Finally, text-to-speech, or TTS, converts the text responses back into spoken language. It's like having a professional voice actor who can speak in multiple languages and accents. Now let's meet some of the most popular voice assistants. First up, we have Amazon Alexa. Integrated with Amazon Echo devices, Alexa supports a wide range of smart home devices and third-party skills. It's like having a personal butler who can control your entire home. Next, we have Google Assistant. Available on Android devices and Google Home speakers, Google Assistant offers advanced search capabilities and integration with Google services. It's like having a super smart friend who knows everything. Apple Siri is built into iOS devices and provides seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem. It's like having a personal assistant who knows all your Apple devices inside out. Microsoft Cortana is integrated with Windows 10 and Microsoft services. It offers productivity features and integration with Office 365. It's like having a productivity guru who helps you get things done. Now let's talk about the practical uses of voice assistants. Smart home control is a big one. You can use voice commands to control lights, thermostats, and other smart devices. It's like having a magic wand that controls your entire home. Voice assistants can also act as personal assistants. They can set reminders, alarms, and manage your schedules. It's like having a personal secretary who never forgets anything. Entertainment is another big area. You can use voice assistants to play music, podcasts, and audiobooks. It's like having a personal DJ who always plays your favorite tunes. Voice assistants are also great for education and learning. They can answer questions, provide information, and even offer language learning and educational games. It's like having a personal tutor who's always ready to help. In healthcare, voice assistants can monitor health metrics, provide reminders for medication, and offer mental health support and wellness tips. It's like having a personal health coach who's always by your side. The future potential of voice assistants is truly exciting. We can expect enhanced personalization, contextual understanding, integration with augmented reality and virtual reality, and advanced AI capabilities for more complex tasks. It's like having a super intelligent friend who can do anything. And there you have it, a deep dive into the world of voice assistants. Whether you're using Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple Siri, or Microsoft Cortana, voice assistants have the power to transform our lives. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and remember, the future is AI-mazing.
And that's a wrap on today's adventure into the world of AI. We hope you enjoyed learning about today's topic and how AI is transforming our lives. Remember, the future is AI-mazing, and we're here to make it simple and fun for you. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. It helps us reach more people and spread the AI love. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve and never miss an update, make sure to subscribe to AI Simplified and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. We've got tons of exciting content coming your way. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Your feedback is what keeps us going. Thank you for joining us on this AI journey. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the amazing world of AI. See you soon.